Hey everyone, it's Kim, the homeschooling Grammy, and today I have something a little unusual to share with you. My granddaughter has been wanting to learn how to do dissection. Like, she really wants to be a veterinarian someday. So, for her birthday, my daughter sent her a home science tools kit for dissection. And it is called Homeschool Home Science Tools Inspired Learning. And this is just, I could win a gift certificate or whatever. So, this is new to me. I've done a lot of dissection in my time. I was, an ultrasound technologist, and so I took a lot of anatomy and biology classes and whatever. So if you're interested, stick around. I'm going to show you what is inside this kit. Just a disclaimer, it may not be for the faint of heart. FYI. Okay, so also, I am in no way sponsored. Nothing. I'm doing this just because I thought, you know what? I don't think I've ever seen anything like this on YouTube. And hey, if I have it, I may as well share it, right? So the first thing that I saw when I opened up my little box, or I should say she opened up her little box, there is a catalog in here. It's not a very thick catalog, but there's like all kinds of good stuff in here. Like they have stuff on bacteria and germs. Let's see, what else do they have? Life science, dissection, anatomy and physiology, microscopic life, earth and space, slime. So they have like all kinds of really good stuff. So that's really cool. All right. Then the next paper is a preserved specimen care. So it tells you how to take care of your specimens. Yeah. All right. And then we also have a tray, and this is covered plastic. It's like a heavy, like rubber stuff that you put in here. All right. A tray for dissection, I'm sure. I'm positive. And then there's also this kit here. Little dissection kit. All right, so I'm going to show you what's in here. So there's a ruler, little pins to hold down your specimen with, some sterile surgical blades. Yeah, this is definitely not something I'm going to let my 9-year-old granddaughter do on her own, obviously. Dropper, tweezers, scissors, I forget what these are called, but it's just kind of like to hold on to stuff. And good question. I don't know what that is. Okay, so there's that. So also in this little box of goodies, they have your dissection guides for all of the little things that you're going to be dissecting. And so I will share them with you. So in this package, there is a clam dissection guide. So there's a clam. There is an earthworm dissection guide. So yes, there's an earthworm. There's a grasshopper dissection guide. So we have a grasshopper. There is a perch dissection guide. So yes, we have a fish. And this really shouldn't be too big a deal for her because we are big on going fishing in the spring. Like we go with my dad and she loves it. And so when my dad cleans the fish, she's usually right there watching them. watching him, I should say, because she likes to check out their insides. So last year she was like, is this the stomach? Is this whatever? She was like totally checking it out. All right. There's also a crayfish dissection guide, a starfish dissection guide, and we have one more, and a frog dissection guide. Now, I've done most of these. I'm trying to think. I haven't done the starfish, but I have done all the rest at some point in my life. So, if you're easily grossed out, you may want to stop watching the video right now. But I'm going to show you what's in there. And I am not going to open this plastic container because it tells you not to. Yeah, it tells you not to open it because it will... Hold on, I'm trying to make it so we can see everybody. Yeah, because it could cause them not to... Yeah, I'd have to put them in new plastic, and I don't want to do that. So as you can see, there's a frog, there's a starfish, there's a crayfish, there's a clam, and I do believe that the perch is in this, he's covered up, and also the earthworm, and what was the other thing, the grasshopper. If you look like kind of close, you can see that that's in there too. So yeah, I think it's kind of cool. It's been a long time, and I guess as I've gotten older, things kind of gross me out more than they used to. I've dissected like all kinds of stuff. I had to, you know, for my biology and anatomy classes. So I mean, I've done much bigger and yeah, much bigger and more complicated things than these. And so this should be interesting. So let me know down in the comments. Would this be something that you would want to see in a video? Or nah? Let me know. Okay, so that's all I got for you today. So it's called Home Science Tools. Home Science Tools. I will leave a link down in the description box. I'm going to have to go look for a link because, like I said, I didn't order this. My daughter ordered it for her birthday. So I hope this is a blessing to you, and I will talk to you again soon.